Ngipidang sebagai pi barok syakanika channel kejungi bat hakanika video ngin page yikiniki post kibrang select thamai po Meghalaya. Subscribe yikanika channel but turn on your notification bell ru kana mo pinumdo iki videos kibing upload. Pila ban follow ru yaka Instagram account kejungi. Yakiniki post lapalai taka State Rural Employment Society Eastern West Khasi Hills District Mairang Mentau Banai Arajar Apsau. Ikiteng yakiniki post kilangkumne District Program Manager, District IT Manager, but Technical Assistant. Kalas day lani katar ke bukado bapilaban samaj ke applications kare Apsau tarik Banai Julai Arajar Apsau. Yaka post District Program Manager kabalai kawai ke age limit lani ke kerta ke bahedo kadai la punyo senam. Ka salary lani katulap kadai arpa prajar, pat penyoru yaki wiki allowances. Educational qualification kalangkumne Peladiban pendap yaka master's degree haka rural development lani agricultural extension lani social work lani peladiban pendap yaka PG diploma haka rural development naga noga recognized university lani institution pidon kam minimum sausnam work experience haka rural development lani wiki fields ki hub yaka post district IT manager ka balai kawai ke age limit lani ka kerta ka bahado kadai la punyo snam ka salary lani ka tulap kadai khanyaw hajar bat penyoru yaki wiki allowances educational qualification kalangkumne peladiban pendap yaka MCA lani BE lani BTech haka CSE lani IT lani ECE pidon kam minimum sausnam work experience haki field jangka IT lani e-governance yaka post technical assistant ka balai kawai ka location kaneng po Mairang CNRD block ka age limit lani ka kerta ka bahedo kadai la punyusnam ka salary lani ka tulap kadai apo hajar bat penyoru yaki wiki allowances educational qualification kalangkumne peladiban pendap yaka BTech lani BE haka civil engineering naka noga recognized institution lani university pidon kam minimum license work experience haka field jengki accounts candidates ki bilang eligible bagi pokok ban apply kini ki post pihak ban pendap yaka standard application form pat pihak ban submit langru bagi dokumen sejampi syaka office of the district program coordinator MGNREGA, MGNREGS, Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Mairang. Kaling jangka official advertisement, but kaling jangka nika standard application form, ngala ay po description jangka nika video.